Hi guys, this is Leigh from the future. I am a little bit behind on editing videos. I'm actually here in my bungalow in Bali right now, but this video is about the Kuang Waterfalls in Luang Prabang, Laos. So in this video you'll see a ride out to Kuang, which is like the most popular, I would say, day trip or tourist attraction in Luang Prabang. Beautiful ride out, a short trip from the ticket office to the actual waterfalls that they provide a electric car out to, and then my short hike to the waterfalls, a swim, and then towards the end of the video I just share my thoughts on you know, what it's like at the waterfalls and how they compare to Erawan waterfalls in Thailand that I had also visited, kind of similar but different. But anyway, I'm back editing, so I have a ton of videos to show. I've continued to shoot a lot of footage, but I just haven't been editing for a little bit. So I'm back at it, and hopefully plenty of videos to come soon. But anyway, I hope you enjoy checking out Kuang Waterfalls. I definitely recommend visiting if you're in the area. They're beautiful, and it's a fun day trip. Bought a ticket for 25,000 kip and hopped on one of these electric buses. Bring us up to the waterfalls, I guess. Well, on the way to the waterfalls, you walk right through a bear rescue, which is pretty cool. A little extra added bonus. And it's included in your ticket price. And then very shortly thereafter, here's some awesome waterfalls. Water than Erawan has. Well, I just walked to the top of Kuang Waterfall, and it is so big and so powerful, really loud, way louder than when I went to Erawan in Kanchanaburi. I can't help but compare them. This was a much shorter hike, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, with stops. and it's way slipperier. It's like deceiving. It doesn't look slippery, but there's a lot of like moss on top of the compacted like dirt ground, and it's slippery. But it was still really easy just because it's so short. And there's really only one place that people are kind of swimming, but it's really big, and the water looks just as nice. I'm about to get in. And I don't know, it's really, really nice. There's a really nice restaurant here too. It's like, looks formal almost, which I'm really surprised by. There were a bunch of vendors with souvenirs and snacks and things right outside as you're kind of paying for your ticket to get in. But it was a nice ride out too, I will say. Very beautiful hills and whatnot. Saw some rice paddies and water buffalo and cows and goats and things along the way. Some banana trees. It's so loud, I hope you can hear me. But this is a really cool, short trip. You don't need as long here, which is nice. Kind of spend more time in the water and less time hiking. Really, really nice. Really, really nice day trip though from Luang Prabang. I just went swimming with a bunch of kids back here. I had a great time. It's chilly, but in a very refreshing way. And the bottom of the little pool there is pretty flat, and I was happy to have my shoes on just because that's me, but you could easily go in there barefoot, and there were no fish biting at me, unlike Erewhon. So, just got hit with a stick. But anyway, this is a great stop, and